Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Midnight to Milestone. मैं हूँ आपका host Rakshit. Today we have a special guest from one of the big MNC tech giant, and she started her career from Infosys and landed a job in one of the best product-based organization across the world. So let's get started. Hi Neha, welcome to Midnight to Milestone. How are you feeling today?
Hi Rakshit, thank you for calling me here. I am feeling great to be here.
Great, thank you so much. Can you please give us a short introduction about yourself? Like from where are you from?
Yeah.
What you are doing currently?
So I am Neha. I am originated from Solapur, Maharashtra. Currently I am working in the Microsoft and I am here in the Bangalore.
Great. So let's start from the start. Like as you mentioned, you are from Solapur. How your journey started from Solapur?
Yeah, so my schooling and college is done in the Solapur only. So I am homeschooler. And then I moved to the Pune for the job.
Okay. So as you mentioned कि आप सोलापुर से हैं, तो जब आप सोलापुर में थे, कभी आपने सोचा था कि ऐसे बड़े टेक जाइंट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के लिए एक दिन काम करोगे?
Frankly speaking, no. I never thought about that. But yeah, still I'm here.
Okay, great. Good to know that. And as you already mentioned about your academics, just wanted to enlighten more on that part. Like what you have completed, you have taken 12th or Polytechnic or BTech?
ओके सो मैंने डिप्लोमा किया है, टेक्निकल डिप्लोमा, एंड उसके बाद मैंने इंजीनियरिंग की है.
So ये डिसीजन आपने कैसे लिया है कि आपको पॉलिटेक्निक करना है instead of rather than going for 11th 12th?
सो इट हैज़ वन स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट. तो मेरी मम्मी ने घर पे डेस्कटॉप लाया था इन 8th व्हेन आई वाज इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड. सो इट वाज जस्ट टू प्ले द गेम्स एंड जस्ट टू डू द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन रिलेटेड वर्क. एंड after using that, there was a spark of curiosity, like how these things work, how this system work. Then I decided to know more about it, and then slowly started. So before 10th only, I have decided I will go in this line, technical line.
Great. And on top of that, I have another question for you. Like जैसे आप सोलापुर से आपने mention किया, it's a tier 2 city, right?
Yeah.
So कभी आपको कोडिंग में ऐसे कोई परेशानी हुई कि रिसोर्सेस अवेलेबल नहीं है, सेल्फ स्टडी पे ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट होना पड़ता था या?
So my college was like one of the good college in that area, and getting admission there itself is a difficult thing. And yeah, there are enough resources available, and the faculties were good, so I didn't find any issue so far.
Okay.
And apart from that, there is always a YouTube.
Okay, yeah, great. So आपने जैसे बताया कि आप एक बार अपने कॉलेज के बारे में बता सकते हैं, how was your college और किस कॉलेज से आपने?
Yeah, so I have completed my engineering from the Walchand Institute of Technology. It's in Solapur, and it's currently autonomous college.
Autonomous college. So it's not a tier 1 college, I can say it's a tier 2 college.
Yeah.
So how is the experience? Like how it is difficult to be a part of tier 2 college and then crack a job in Microsoft? Like have you ever heard, think of कि आप आज मैं एक दिन जाके tier 2 college से भी I'll land up a job in Microsoft?
So college was pretty decent. So we used to get the campus from different MNCs. Those were service based basically. So we were preparing for that only. The service based company were targeted while preparing. And another thing about my college, it's a Jain minority college. So people all around the India who are Jain used to be there. So interaction was good with them. So I have many friends around the India because of that. And we prepared according to service-based company only. So we know that there is placement, we have to prepare and get the job. That was the only thing decided.
So placement पे वापस आते हैं, placement पे आते हैं हम अब यहाँ से आपके करियर जर्नी के बारे में जानने के बाद. So only point I wanted to ask you, like कोई internship आपने किया था या?
Yes. So at that time, like currently internship करना वो नहीं था, mandatory नहीं था जैसे अभी आज है. But फिर भी they like asked us to like do if we get the chance. So I tried from internshala.com, if you know. I applied for the internship and I got the chance to develop the mobile app at that time for the NGO.
So ये internship आपके लिए कितना beneficial था?
Yeah, it was quite beneficial because building something from scratch, we don't get that experience in the college because we do all the coding stuff and exercises like that. So that was very important internship.
Okay, and after internship, you landed up your first job in which organization?
Infosys.
Infosys. And how was the experience like? College के बाद it was a college campus placement, right?
Yeah, right.
So कैसा experience था first company में job लेने के बाद मतलब?
Yeah, it was great experience as Infosys is known for its very good training procedure. So for me, coming out of the Solapur and going somewhere else, even the changing the state, it was new for me. And again, when I went to the Mysore, I got so many friends, and there also the faculty is like number one super class faculty, and all the facilities also. So there was no any issue in that period.
ग्रेट, गुड टू नो. आपने इन्फोसिस के बाद एक और कंपनी में आई गेस स्विच किया बिफोर स्विचिंग इनटू माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, राइट? सो वो एक्सपीरियंस के साथ है, एंड वो कौन सी कंपनी थी अगर आप बता सकें?
Right. So I worked in WorldPay, which was previously acquired by FIS, and it is a product based company. So coming from the service based to product, I always wanted to go into the product based company. I was done with the service based company for 3 years. So I was trying, I was preparing for that, and then I got the call from the WorldPay, and it was normal interviews and all procedure. After that, I got into that company.
बट हाउ वाज द एक्सपीरियंस लाइक सर्विस बेस्ड एंड प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड? डिफरेंस क्या है अगर आप बता सकते
There is a very major difference in the service base and product base. In the product base, you get so many things to do. You can put your ideas in front of them, you can implement them, and the complete procedure is different. And in service base, it is like whatever you have been told, you have to do that much and submit, and your work is done.
Okay. And how difficult it was, because I feel Infosys definitely notice period will be high.
Yeah.
एंड तो कंपनीज ऐसे कैंडिडेट्स को अप्रोच करती है कि आपके पास 90 डेज का नोटिस पीरियड और स्टिल प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज विल गोना अप्रोच, और आपने क्या स्ट्रेटेजी लिया था?
जनरली नहीं करती है. तो फर्स्ट आई ट्राइड टू क्रैक द इंटरव्यूज इनटू सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनीज ओनली. सो आई लाइक I can name, right? HCL and other companies. And once I got into that, then I waited for some time because it is a 90 days. I cannot try for product base in that period. So once I complete 45 days, I started trying for these product based companies.
Okay. So for viewers, I can say कि instead of taking risk, आप एक जॉब ले लीजिए, उसके बाद आप नोटिस पीरियड डालिए, then you will get calls from many product based organizations.
Right.
Okay, yeah. Great, good to know about that. Coming to Microsoft, from WorldPay to Microsoft, पहली बात कि WorldPay में आपका नोटिस पीरियड क्या था? Whether that was impacting or
Yeah, it was also 75 days, which is too much for this. But I talked with the manager as I got the opportunity from Microsoft. He got ready to release me early.
Great, then that's really good to know. And one more point I want to add here, like आप जब प्रोडक्ट बेस में काम कर रहे, जैसे आप WorldPay में थे, so वहां से आपने एक लाइनअप बनाया था कि मुझे अब माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में जाना है, ऐसी और कोई कंपनीज में जाना है? अगर आपने बनाया भी था तो वो क्या रोड मैप था कि यस?
Actually, I wasn't targeting Microsoft, but I was targeting fintech based companies because WorldPay is fintech based and there is lot to do in that area. You can use tremendous things of AIs and automations and everything, because that domain is still behind. They don't upgrade very fast because it's because of security. You can't go and adapt the new technologies as fast as any other companies, right?
Okay.
So I saw the opportunities, and it is like very curious domain. You can do so many things. That's why I was targeting the fintech companies. But while targeting that, I got the call from the Microsoft.
ग्रेट. सो ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का कॉल आपको डायरेक्ट आया था एंड और आपने अप्रोच किया था किसी वेबसाइट में जाके अप्लाई किया एंड
It was direct call.
डायरेक्ट कॉल फ्रॉम देयर. ओके. सो आप जॉब मार्केट में ओपन थे एंड दे कॉल्ड यू, और इवन यू आर नॉट ओपन एंड दे कॉल्ड यू रैंडमली?
No, I was open.
ओके, ग्रेट. ओके, आप सो हैज यू मेंशन कि आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट से जो कॉल आया था, आप जॉब मार्केट में ओपन थे एंड दे कॉल्ड यू. सो जब आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के लिए अप्लाई कर, मतलब जब इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस में आप जा रहे थे, आपके पास कोई और ऑफर्स भी थे या?
Yeah, I had the offer.
Okay, great. So currently आप माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में हैं. It means how many months it's been?
It's been 7 months.
7 months. What is your job role currently there?
So I'm currently working as a backend developer there.
Backend.
And in my previous company also, I was backend developer.
So what is the criteria, like अगर for a normal viewer, if they want to go into Microsoft, like कौन से फील्ड्स ऐसे हैं, जैसे अभी आप काम कर रहे हो पिछले 6 महीने से, आपको पता होंगे कि ऐसे कौन से फील्ड्स है जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्टिवली और अग्रेसिवली हायर करता है ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस?
So for SD1, SD2, they regularly hire. Mostly SD1, they take from the college fresh pass out people, and for SD2, SD3, you have to done a great job to land there.
Okay.
And you have to be very good at your core technology, core knowledge, everything, and then you can land up there.
Okay. And how was the interview process?
So there was 3 rounds, and first round tha the normal whatever you know about coding, everything. Second round pure hands-on tha, which lasted for 3 hours something. I have to write the code and then explain what everything is doing there, including each and every variable.
Okay.
And after that, the third round was managerial, the hiring manager and the actual technical manager.
Technical.
Yeah.
Okay. कोई assessments ऐसे online assessments before taking any interviews? Do they take any assessments?
I guess they do take for SD1 and the freshers. I'm not sure about the SD2. For me, it wasn't there.
Okay. After joining Microsoft, अब तक का सबसे exciting या challenging work जो आपको लगा?
Exciting and challenging work was I was in .NET and doing the backend that. Here, the opening was for Node.js and Python. So I knew it. In the college, I used it, but it was in college, like there is a difference for
Yeah.
5 years. So they asked me to skill up in the 1 week and start working on that. It was quite challenging, but yeah, I managed to do it.
Okay. How was the experience? Like आपने service base से start किया, then you went to WorldPay, जो कि एक product based थी, and then again back to Microsoft. Again, it's a product based company.
Yeah.
So अभी आपको कैसा experience था from Infosys to Microsoft?
In Microsoft, the main thing I find good or it's great, like so many resources are available to use. You can do your own POCs, you can do your own project, you can use library, you can use like all learning material which is not easily available when you are in other company. So like Infosys and WorldPay are the people who are using AI products which is developed by Microsoft, right?
Okay.
And being in a company who is developing the AI product which is going to get used in other companies, it's like always a top thing.
Yeah, great. So just a fun question here. Like it's a dream of every engineer. Like one day they will land up with any of the FANGs or Microsoft, big product companies. So how you feel now? Like you're already living a dream of many engineers.
Yeah, I'm feeling very nice.
So जैसा आपने अपने लास्ट आंसर में जिक्र किया AI का, so माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में ऐसे कोई फीचर्स और ऐसा कोई टूल है, AI टूल जो आपको बहुत कूल लगा और आपको लगता है कि हाँ ये समथिंग दैट आई हैव यूज्ड और अदर किसी और लोगों के पास अभी नहीं है?
वैसे तो they are releasing every tool for others, but paid, right?
Okay.
I can use it freely. So for me, currently they are releasing, it's like released for us, not for everyone. It is GitHub Spark, which is very cool product. With one prompt, you can develop very cool website and edit it according to your requirement and all. It's very nice.
So it's not a normal GitHub for people available, for the normal people available. आप लोगों के लिए कुछ special advanced features उसमें added है, I can say.
So currently it's kind of in beta mode, so for us it is available. It will get released to other people also soon.
Great. So okay. So as you mentioned, AI इतनी तेजी से अब evolve हो रहा है, उसका जो असर है काम पे किस तरह से पड़ रहा है? Like whether it will gonna help you or
So yeah, it is going to help you. Yesterday and today, this thing only we discussed in our company with manager and the other people. So the thing is, you have to use AI to save your repetitive and mundane tasks. You have to get it done by AI, and the other things like you have to spend time on innovation of other things. So right now, like sending mails and sending some messages and other like doing work of Excel and all that you can automate using your own AI thing, right? By making AI agent and all. But you get the leverage of time. So in that time you can build something of your own, which can be a new innovation. So AI is something built by human.
Yeah.
While AI take care of your repetitive tasks, human can again go and invent something new.
So जो भी हमारे viewers हैं उनके लिए it's a bonus point. Like they don't have to scare कि अभी AI आ जाएगा तो हमारा जॉब चले जाएगा. I don't think so. It will gonna benefit you. हमें बस evolve होना होगा कि कैसे उसको utilize करना है अपने day to day task को और minimize करने के लिए.
Right, I agree to that.
Great. So अभी let's come to the advice part. अब हमने काफी अच्छे से जान लिया AI के बारे में, Microsoft के लाइफ के बारे में, even आपके early start of the career के बारे में. Let's come to the advice. What advice you will give? Like जो बच्चे tier 2 कॉलेज में हैं उनके लिए आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे कि वो अगर चाहते हैं कि ऐसे बड़े कंपनीज को टारगेट करें and get placed in those companies?
Yeah, so don't just go behind the trend. Just because AI is trending, it doesn't mean that you just learn AI. Make your core very fixed. Core technologies, the things which are required to a normal programming and all, make it very fixed. Even if the AI gives you the code, you should know what code it is, right? You should be able to modify that. So for that, learn DSA, learn algorithms. This is very important currently, and then you can start growing towards the AI. Like learn Python, then go learn basics about the maths, like probability and other things, and algorithms of the machine learning. I can continue with the roadmap, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So the algorithms about the machine learning, and then you can move towards the actual generative AI, the LangChain, the RAG, the MCP, which is quite trending now. But basic should be very clear. That is the main thing they check in the interview.
So basics I can say DSA.
Yeah, TSS and
So-
algorithm operating system.
Okay, so DSA आपको पूरा अच्छे से आना चाहिए. Great. और internships और side projects ये कितना benefit देता है आपके job placement के लिए?
Yeah, it is very beneficial.
Only learning is not beneficial, right? While you are learning the DSA and algorithm, you should develop some basic projects of your own. It may be a basic calculator, but you should have that of your own on your GitHub.
Okay.
So the side project matters.
Great. So आपके personal growth के लिए ऐसे कौन से habits है जो आप daily follow करते हैं? एंड आप बताना चाहोगे कि हाँ आप भी ऐसा कर सकते हो. लाइक आई अंडरस्टैंड कि लोगों के अपने अपने हैबिट्स होते हैं, बट फॉर योर ओन आप कौन से ऐसे हैबिट्स है जो डेली फॉलो कर रहे हैं?
So in this field, being a learner is like all-time learner. You have to learn about all the things which are going around you. It is very fast-paced field, and because of AI also, it is moving very forward, very fast. So you have to stay relevant about all the things. So for that, consistency is required. Every day you should learn or read something which is coming on the different blog sites are there. Like I follow Medium, which is a good technical website for from which you can get the idea about what is happening around your field.
Okay, so Medium.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So it's a kind of useful resource for our viewers. Even they can go there. It's a free.
Yeah. It's a free blog. And the main thing is like LinkedIn.
Mm.
So many people, if you are like, it depends on your field. Like if you are developer, you are tester, follow those SMEs who are subject matter expertise, who post very relevant articles about those. Read those articles and stay relevant with it.
Any references if you have in your mind, like whom the viewers can follow?
Currently, I don't have anyone in mind.
Okay, no problem. So, आपके लिए सक्सेस का क्या डेफिनेशन है? What you feel like at this stage I can say like I am successful, or anyone can say like it can vary from person to person, but
Yeah, as you said, हर एक के लिए definition is different. For few people it can be a materialistic thing. For few people it can be a peace or some destination where they want to go and they'll go and they find like it is successful. So yeah, it's different for everyone.
yeah, but I'm asking like आपके लिए क्या है?
I would like to say it is mix of materialistic and the travel and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I feel like the way you mentioned travel and all, so your hobby is inclines towards travel or?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great. Alright, अब थोड़ा फन करते हैं. Let's jump to our rapid fire.
Okay.
यहाँ आपको ज़्यादा ओवरथिंक नहीं करना है. जो आपके माइंड मेरे क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद जो भी आपके माइंड में आ रहा है, just answer it.
Fine.
The first thing you are getting. So इस एपिसोड को we called it as Midnight Sparks.
Okay.
Okay. एक वर्ड जो सोलापुर को डिस्क्राइब करता है.
Too hot to handle.
Too hot to handle. Okay. Oh, okay. चाय या कॉफी?
Chai.
नाइट आउल या अर्ली बर्ड?
Night owl.
एक हैबिट जो तुम्हें सक्सेसफुल बनाती है?
Constantly learning.
कॉन्स्टेंटली लर्निंग. ग्रेट. कोडिंग करते वक्त फेवरेट स्नैक?
Co-
कोडिंग करते वक्त फेवरेट स्नैक?
Nachos.
नाचोस. ओके. एंड ड्रीम वेकेशन डेस्टिनेशन?
Switzerland.
ग्रेट. एक ऐप जो आप रोज यूज करते हैं नॉन वर्क?
I don't want to mention.
Still, ऐसा कोई
It's
app
very
होगा?
common. Like people use Instagram. I use it.
Okay. एक चीज जो आप अपने यंगर सेल्फ को कहना चाहते हैं?
Proud of you.
प्राउड ऑफ योर. नाइस. एक मूवी या वेब सीरीज जो आप कंटिन्यू मतलब बार बार देख सकते हो?
Anything which involves lawyer and criminals.
लॉयर्स. व्हाई? आपका कोई इंटरेस्ट है?
I like it.
ओके. एक सुपर पावर अगर आपको मिल जाए तो वो क्या होगी?
Go anywhere anytime.
ओके. एनीवेयर डोस. आई हैव टू कांटेक्ट डोरेमोन फॉर दिस. टेक के अलावा कोई हिडन टैलेंट?
Let
Like-
it be hidden.
इट विल बी हिडन ओनली. किसी एक इंसान का नाम जिससे आप इंस्पिरेशन लेते हो?
I have the name in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how you will take it. It's Priyanka Chopra, but for growth, from
Okay.
where she comes and where she landed.
Yeah, great, good to know. एक वर्ड और एक एक फनी नेम हम सबको देते हैं एक्चुअली लोग स्कूल में कॉलेजेस में. सो ऐसा कोई फनी वर्ड जो आपके दोस्त आपको बुलाते हो? आप बता सकते हैं ऐसा.
No, there is no name like that.
एक दिन के लिए किसी और के रोल में आपको जानना हो तो who will be that person or anyone like celebrity or anyone?
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates. Oh, nice. One piece of advice you live by, like one piece of advice you live by, like everything you every day you are saying like yes.
Never give up.
Never give up. Nice.
And
Good
you
to
have to believe in yourself,
So-
even if people are doubting on you.
know. Great. So never give up. Believe on yourself. Don't listen to what others are saying.
Yeah.
Great. Good to know. एक career myth जो आप तोड़ना चाहते हो.
You can be from anywhere in the world, and you can, if you are dreaming big, you can achieve it. But the only thing you have to do is hard work and be consistent about it.
So yeah, that was super fun, Neha. It was nice talking with you, and I feel like you also enjoyed the way I enjoyed, and for our viewers, I feel they'll gonna also take it as a good, meaningful video or inspirational or something like even they can learn from this video.
Yes, thank you, Rakshit. I enjoyed it much, and I hope viewers will get some information from this, which is useful for them to move ahead.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much. Have a great day.